In this video, I'll walk you through how to access and use Google V3, also known as Veo, which is part of Google's advanced AI video generation tools. A lot of people are excited about this, but it can be a bit confusing figuring out how to get access. To start using Veo V3, you'll need to subscribe to Google AI Ultra, which is currently the only tier that includes access to V3. The AI Pro plan only includes V2, so if you want to try out V3, make sure you're on the Ultra plan. As of now, Google offers a deal where you can get the Ultra plan for $125 per month for 3 months. Once you're subscribed, you'll get access to the Flow interface where V3 is integrated. To find it, you can either Google Veo V3 or go directly to deepmind.google/models/Veo. On that page, click Try in Flow, and you'll be taken to the project dashboard. Here, you'll see the option to create with Flow. You can start a new project or open an existing one. Just keep in mind, you must be a Google AI Ultra subscriber to actually generate videos. Once you're in, you'll be able to type your video prompt, something like make a video on how to use Veo V3, and it will generate a video for you based on that input. And that's it. That's how you can access and use Google's powerful Veo V3 video generation tool through the Flow platform. Thanks for watching.